Show it to me.
Remember on the thing?
Show me how to do it.
I think either they said two big gums and go like this. Okay. Okay, either it goes like this and this. Yeah, it goes like this. Wash your hands in the water.
I can't see your hands in the water. You got to stand up.
Then it goes like this, and then you do that, and then you do this. Can you bring her the noodle?
You got to go down like this, though.
Huh?
You got to go down like this with your nose, remember?
Oh, yeah. So let me get...
Hold on. Hold on.
So...
Trey.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. Let me make sure he get down without falling. Trey, baby. Can you do it?
Okay, you ready?
Hold on.
Huh?
Hold on. All right, now show me.
One bit of lightning, we need to know.
It is?
I said if I see one thing of lightning, they got to come out. So.
Yeah, we about to go too anyway because the clouds is dark.
If you see lightning, will you let my daughter know? Because she wants me to go get the baby at the noodles.
Okay, I will.
Thank you. We're watching the sky.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it like this or two big gums first?
You was doing it right.
You're gonna get her toys? Okay, like this. Do you do that? Like this? Okay.
Good job.
Mom! Bring me the red and blue dog in the field, the big one.
Trey.
My red basket.
Stop. So you want to get in the water?
Don't let his nose go in that water, Jody.
Okay.
See?
What?
You gotta be careful. His nose just went in the water. Hold on.
You?
Hold on.